Got a business that needs a website? I created one for my boxing studio with Wix. I'll show you how. First step, go to Wix.com. I always try to keep my Wix site fresh to attract new clients. So I'm uploading some new boxing videos here. My classes are pretty tough, so I want to show students what to expect. Oh yeah, they're gonna be sore tomorrow. Wix Bookings is a total game changer for my business. My classes fill up really fast, so I'm adding another morning class here. They better hurry. Spots fill up fast. To make it to the top, I have to be ahead of my competition. With Wix SEO, I can grab those top search results and stay in the lead. This is definitely gonna take my business to the next level. Look at it, it's amazing. Go to Wix.com, create your professional website today.